friends, welcome back, and welcome if you're new. I have missed you guys. I feel like it's been a minute since I've sat down with the camera and just hung out with you all. Summer is in full swing here in Ohio. It has been hot, school is out, and things are just a little more relaxed and laid back, and I've just sort of been adjusting to all the changes in our home. So thank you for bearing with me and being patient. Today I thought it would be a lot of fun to share a recent home decor haul with you guys. I always love to share goodies that I find for my home with my friends here on YouTube, and I have quite a big haul here. So make sure you get comfortable, maybe grab yourself a cup of coffee or an iced tea, and let's dive in and talk about what I picked up for my home. Before we get started, I did want to kindly thank Walmart for sponsoring today's home haul, and I wanted to let you guys know that everything in this video that I talk about can be purchased from and found exclusively at Walmart. So all of these opinions are my own, and they're all things that I genuinely picked out and I think I'm gonna love. So just wanted to throw that out there. Walmart is awesome. I mean, their price points are affordable. They offer really fast shipping options, even same-day shipping sometimes, which is just mind-boggling to me. And they have amazing home brands like Better Homes and Gardens, The Pioneer Woman, Beautiful by Drew Barrymore. That is a recent favorite of mine. Spice by Tia Mowry. So many good brands and things that I love. So this will be fun. Let's go ahead and dive into it. So first things first, I love candles. I'm a huge candle person. In general, I'm just a huge fan of anything that's gonna make my house smell good and feel cozy. So of course I've picked up a few candles and wax melts. The first candle I got is Better Homes and Gardens. What jumped out to me at first was the packaging. It is so beautiful, but the scent is called Pear and Spun Sugar. And the notes say pear, berries, and star fruit. But it's so good, you guys. It has like a warm sweet scent, but it has that hint of pear and berries, so it's kind of fruity. It is hard to describe, but it is perfect for summertime. If you enjoy sort of a warm, fruity scent, it is a good one for sure. The other thing I loved about this candle is that the box it comes in is super cute, would be great for a gift or a gift basket, but the candle itself is just white glass, so it's really clean and sleek and would work in any room in your house. Before we move on to the next candle, I did want to say everything will be linked down in the description below if you're interested in any of these items, and Walmart ships super fast. A couple of these things I bought online and got next day, which is so crazy. But this next scent is a little bit more of a classic Better Homes and Gardens scent, and it's in a little bit more of their classic packaging. You can see here if it'll focus. There we go. But the scent is French Country Vanilla, and I love warm, cozy scents year-round. I know they're more popular in the fall, winter months, but this was a really great warm, cozy scent for summer because it has that vanilla. It's really warm, but it still smells very clean. It smells so good. The notes say creamy vanilla bean, warm milk, caramel swirl, and whipped cream. This would be perfect on a rainy day like today. It's pretty rainy out, or even just a cozy evening. So I'm really excited about this one. It's just a clean, classic scent. You can't go wrong. Now on the same topic of candles, I did get a new wax warmer that I'm really excited about from Better Homes and Gardens. I would say between the two I like candles more, but for my kitchen I really enjoy having a wax warmer that I can just leave on for longer periods of time and not have to worry. It's just a cozy thing to always have on in the kitchen during the day. I just enjoy that. It has this beautiful sort of pottery finish. I like how neutral it is. And the other cool thing about this one is it has a very wide wax base that lifts off, and you can set a candle on this part. It will heat up and melt your candle for you if you're someone that is weary of just lighting candles in general, or maybe you can't if you're renting or you're in a dorm or something like that. But I probably won't really use this much since I'm fine lighting candles, but I thought that was a really cool feature, and I'm gonna like this one, I think, in my kitchen. And because I got a wax warmer, of course I got a few new wax melts. Again, these are Better Homes and Gardens, and these are both very warm, cozy scents. I think I'm just in a cozy mood these days, but the first one I grabbed, I bought both of these in store. I grabbed this one first. It is banana and pumpkin bread, which you're probably thinking, pumpkin in May, not so much. But the reason I bought it is because I smelt it in the store, and I would say it's 80% banana bread. There is a little hint of maybe pumpkin in there, but to me it just smells like banana bread, which I love the smell of banana bread. So cozy for the kitchen. And then the other one is Vanilla Cookie Crunch, which is shortbread cookie, buttercream, and vanilla. So again, just another warm one that will pair really well with this candle. Okay, moving on from the yummy smelling things, let's talk about a few things that I have bought for my kitchen. Something that I've really wanted for a long time is a cast iron Dutch oven. I saw this at Walmart. It is from Drew Barrymore's line, Beautiful, and it is in fact beautiful. It is cast iron. I mean, this thing weighs a ton. I'm probably gonna leave it displayed in the kitchen on the stove just so I don't have to move it all the time, but it is so beautiful. It's white. The inside, it holds 6 quarts, I believe, and the inside is enameled, which is awesome. This would be great for so many things, baking bread, making soups, all of the things. I just think that is beautiful, and I know it will get a lot of use. So another one of those things in the kitchen that I felt like it was time to replace are some of my baking sheets and muffin tins. They just get so worn and grimy, but I bought this set, and this is from Tia Mowry's new brand, Spice. And these are colorful, which I don't typically gravitate towards, but I thought they were so fun. This is the baking sheet. You can see it's rimmed. I love that the inside is this cream color, and then the outside is sort of a turquoise deep blue, I would say. But there's a baking sheet, a muffin tin, same kind of thing here. And the back is like this magenta color, which is so fun and different. I just think with things like this in the kitchen, you can get a little bit more playful, things that aren't sitting out on the counter. I just know that whenever I make muffins, having a magenta muffin tin will probably make me smile, but you can't have enough of these. And then lastly in the set, there's a cake pan. I use these for casseroles all the time as well, in sort of a sky blue color, and then a pie shaped tin as well in a yellow. So 4 pieces, super colorful, super fun. I'm excited to swap these out for some of my old sort of metal not rusty, but crusty is more like it, tins, and just get a fresh start. I think these will be super fun to bake with in the coming months, and I'm excited about this. Next item is from Better Homes and Gardens again, and it is a serving dish, and I loved this shape and size. I think this is going to be great for side dishes and cinnamon rolls. I thought this would be a great size for those when I make them. But it came with a second serving platter that is shallow, so you could plate items if you needed to with this, but it also serves as a lid, and I just thought this was so neat if you were running late and you needed to keep something warm, or you took it to a potluck or something along those lines. I just thought this was neat. It's also a space saver in the cabinets because they stack like this, and I just thought it was a good serving piece to have in my home. Over the last month-ish, I would say month or 2 months, our pizza cutter and our can opener broke. And we were due for a new one, and honestly we just needed some new kitchen utensils in general. So I thought, you know what, when I'm shopping, let's just buy a whole new set and sort of reorganize and restart. And it is so fun. I don't know what it is about having like a matching utensil set, but these are from the Beautiful line again, and it is a 10-piece. I have all of them sitting right here if I'm looking down. A 10-piece set, and they are so fun. Look, they're like a beautiful sort of, I don't want to say sky blue because they're a little deeper than that, but a beautiful blue color, and they have gold detailing that is just stunning. So different spoons and spatulas. What else comes in the set? There are some tongs here, an ice cream scoop, a pizza cutter, a can opener, which I needed, a potato peeler, and a wine corkscrew opener, wine bottle opener, whatever you want to call it. So really good set, all the basic necessities, and they all come in this really fun blue. Okay, next up, this item is from the Pioneer Woman brand, and I just adore everything she does. Everything is colorful and cute and floral and fun. Hi.
Can I be with you?
Yeah, you can be with me. Say hi.
Hi.
I got this berry bowl, and I love this for a number of reasons, but the main reason I love it is because it's so much cuter than your typical colander strainer that you would wash your berries in and leave it on the counter. Super cute speckled polka dot detailing. It's got floral print on the inside, and it's also adorable because it has this little plate on the bottom. So when you wash the berries, you can set it on the plate and it won't leak on your countertops. It is adorable. Do you like it? So we like this item. Obviously, we're already putting it to good use. So if you guys know me, you know I love coffee. I'm always drinking coffee. And I decided it was time to upgrade my coffee pot situation. So again, I saw from the Beautiful line her coffee maker, and this is just stunning. I've really always wanted a white coffee maker, and so I finally bit the bullet and bought one because I just think it's gonna be so pretty sitting on the countertop. But a couple of things I love about this. I've been using it for about a week. I actually unplugged it and brought it over here just to show you guys. So if you see some condensation, that is why. But the pot itself holds 14 cups, so it's great for big families or get-togethers, small groups. I love the gold detailing, super pretty, but this screen here is digital. So when you plug it in, it's touchscreen, and the time shows up and you can program it and all that good stuff. But then it also comes with a little basket filter, and it's flat on the bottom so it can sit on the countertop. But you just wash this out and you no longer have to buy those white coffee filters, which is cost effective, good for the environment, works for me. And I love it. It's so fun having it sit on my countertop. I'm still getting used to it, but it's been a really fun change. And on the same realm as coffee, this Better Homes and Gardens little creamer and sugar dish set is adorable. I collect white pitchers, you can see behind me here. I love the shape of this one. It's perfect to hold your cream if you have company or get-togethers, holidays. And I love that it comes on this little tray. It's super easy to carry. You can see there's a little handle there. So you can carry it to the table or to wherever you want to serve your coffee. And you have the creamer dish, and then this little sugar dish is so cute because it comes with a little spoon, and I just thought that was so stinking cute. I love that. And I thought this would be also just a really cute display item sitting next to my coffee pot. I love decorating with functional real things that I use every day. So I thought this would be a great addition. And lastly, on that topic again of coffee, this is from the Mainstay brand, and it is just a airtight sealed container, and the scoop inside it actually came with the coffee maker, which was a bonus. But I thought this would be perfect to store my coffee grounds in, and again, just have sitting next to my coffee pot. Super simple, super basic, but definitely functional, and so far the system is working really well for me. Guys, that was everything I've recently picked up from Walmart. I had a lot of fun sharing it with you, and hopefully it gave you some ideas on what to look for. I cannot wait to sort of clean and freshen up my kitchen and get it ready for summertime. That will be my next video, so be on the lookout for that. And if you're interested in anything I shared today, it will all be linked down in the description below. And until next time, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.